On this episode of Can You Park on It? Steve, what are we doing?
Ranking my favorite chair.
The FJ couldn't do it, so we got the heavy equipment out. We got the old excavator. Let's see if we can get her done.
Let's do it.
That's an airbag.
All right, Steve-O, what do you think?
It feels about the same.
The excavator was the right call. Oh, crap. Well, that was fun, Steve-O. You out there, if you like this, like it, subscribe, and give us some more ideas of what you want to see us park on.
Like it.